Alright, so we're back again with another video sample test for you guys and gals today. And this time, we're in a usual spot, but we're kind of using a different angle today. So again, this is another camera samples test of the 12 megapixel camera, rear-facing camera on the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. And this time, we're recording this video with no assistance, so this is handheld. And this is at 1080p at 30 frames per second. So we're going to do some pans, we're going to do some focus tests, we're going to do some zoom tests, and then we're going to wrap it up. So we're just going to pan from here all the way around to there. And this time we got continuous focus on instead of tap to focus. So that's one. We're going to do this 3 times. That's 2. And that's number 3. Now we're going to pick some focus points here and see how the exposure goes. And because I got continuous autofocus on, I can't actually tell when it has a focus lock. So let's zoom in a little bit. Again, we're not going to go any further than 2 times zoom. So we're zoomed in on the ball. That's focus point number 1. And we're going to pan down to the plants here. Focus point number 2. That looks really good. Go back to the ball. Come back to the plants. Go back to the ball. Come back to the plants. It's doing a really good job there. I'm liking the detail. Now we're going to go from the ball to this plant over here. Again, that is really, really good. Really good color representation. Good stuff. Good stuff indeed. And then we're going to go back to the ball. Do this 3 times, so that was 1. Come back to the plant over here. 2. Come back to the ball. Come back to the plant. And go back to the ball. One more time, just because I lost count. Bam. That looks really good. Really good indeed. And I gotta tell you guys, I'm really enjoying this camera and this device so far. The only thing that I'm kind of wishing the cameras had was some type of stabilization. Now granted, for the price, some of you guys may say, when you factor in the price, you need to lower your expectations. But there are devices similarly priced to this that at least have EIS. So y'all can see me doing some exposure checking here. Just panning down to the ground and back up to the ball. It's doing a fairly good job. Good stuff. And just because I checked maximum zoom in the first video, let's check it here. So it goes all the way up to 10 times. And man, that doesn't look too good at 10 times zoom here. Which is why I don't recommend going further than 2 times. Because it's digital zoom we're using. Keep that in mind. Anyway, let's bring this back to normal. Alright, I think that pretty much does it for this camera samples test. Again, this was a rear-facing camera test of the 12 megapixel sensor on the Redmi 5 Plus. Please let me know what y'all think of the video overall. Please let me know what you think of the audio overall, because there's no external mic hooked up here. And let me know what you think of the stabilization as well, because this one was handheld. This way y'all can see the difference between handheld on this device as opposed to stabilized with the first video. And you can see the difference if you want to compare this with other devices as compared to handheld with other devices. So yeah, please let me know what y'all think down below in the comments, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next video. Peace, everybody.